everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is buffalo chicken stuffed bell pepper. Buffalo chicken, you guys already know, is one of my go-to snacks. I love it in a dip. I love it just by itself. But this is how you can make an air fryer stuffed bell pepper with buffalo chicken. It's gonna be super delicious, low carb, keto friendly, macro friendly. Let's jump right in. First thing we're going to do is we're gonna prep our bell pepper. Now you can use any kind of color of bell pepper that you want. I'm gonna be using an orange one. Really doesn't matter. It'll cook and be exactly the same way regardless of which one you use. I wanna cut out the top because I wanna make sure that I'm leaving the entire bell pepper because it's gonna go into the air fryer like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a paring knife and you're just going to cut around the core, just like this. And then we're just going to push and then pop the top out like this. And now you can take your paring knife and scrape the sides to make sure that you get all of those seeds out. And now that you have your bell pepper completely cleaned out, you're going to take it and put it into foil. And we're just going to wrap the foil around the bell pepper like this. We're just going to set this aside for now while we work on prepping our mixture that's gonna go inside the bell pepper. While we're working on our buffalo sauce, I have my chicken breast. I'm just gonna be using one chicken breast since it's only one bell pepper. Obviously, if you're gonna be making this for multiple people or you're meal prepping this, you can just play around with how much you wanna use. I'm gonna be cooking it in my tasty air fryer. I just put it on the chicken breast setting, so it's gonna do the work itself. My discount code's in the description below if you wanna purchase the tasty air fryer. So that is cooking. I'm working on my sauce. I have a small saucepan that is heating on low, medium heat, a little bit closer to the low heat. And once it is slightly heated, I'm gonna add some chicken stock. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. I'm gonna add my chicken stock to my saucepan. And I'm also gonna add my buffalo sauce of choice. Doesn't matter which one you use. You can use Frank's Red Hot. You can use the Primal Kitchen one. I'm just using one from Wegmans. Doesn't really matter. Whatever hot sauce you like, well, buffalo sauce, whatever buffalo sauce you like, that's the buffalo sauce you're gonna use for this recipe. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of low-fat cream cheese. And now we're going to stir all of these ingredients together and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. You guys already know all of the measurements and ingredients will be down in the description below. Once you reach a simmer, you're gonna add another teaspoon of your cream cheese. Once you've added the additional cream cheese, you're gonna bring it back up to a simmer and let it sit for about a minute or two until it starts to thicken up. After 2 minutes, you're gonna take 1 teaspoon of ranch seasoning. I'm just using a ranch seasoning packet and I'm gonna add it directly to my pot and we're gonna simmer for another minute. The chicken breast is finished in the air fryer. I've taken it out and I'm gonna take 2 forks. We're just going to shred our chicken. You can also buy chicken pre-shredded. If you don't wanna cook it yourself, you can just buy a whole rotisserie chicken. It doesn't really matter, whatever you wanna do. While you're shredding your chicken, you wanna start preheating your air fryer to 370 or 75 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna now take our buffalo sauce that we just made and pour it all over the chicken. You're gonna make sure that your chicken is fully coated in that sauce. I'm gonna take some freshly shredded Colby Jack cheese and put it in with my chicken. We're just gonna combine this together. You're also gonna add some shredded cheese on top. Let's now take our bell pepper and you're going to add the chicken mixture into the inside of the bell pepper. I'm gonna take another piece of foil and we're gonna cover our bell pepper. We're gonna throw this into the air fryer tray and cook it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you're gonna take it out of the air fryer, and we're now gonna take off the top aluminum foil. I'm gonna add some extra shredded cheese just to the top right here. Kind of press it down into the bell pepper. Let's throw this back into the air fryer. It's gonna cook for an additional 15 minutes uncovered. And there you have it, delicious, cheesy buffalo chicken stuffed bell pepper. Absolutely perfect with that nice golden brown melted cheese on top. You can serve it just directly in the aluminum foil. Kind of helps the bell pepper stand up, especially if you don't have a completely flat bottom bell pepper like I don't. We're just gonna cut into this. It is just so gooey and delicious. You can let it cool for about 5-10 minutes, obviously, so you don't burn yourself when you're eating it. Let's get a nice slice right here. You are absolutely gonna love this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and cheers. Low carb, high protein, low calorie, and just so good if you're watching your macros. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.